म्हणटा न्हू आतां हे सगळे कितें दोंगर कातरून आतां हिंगा विलाज येताय म्हणटाय तुमी व्हडलो दोंगर आहा आदी
हो दोंगर 2,60,000 आहलो तो तेणी घेहला आनी पळय विला पळय थंय पळय कितली विला येता पळय 45 विला येता हिंगा आनीक होच न्हू आनी फुडें हेज्याकूय फुडें आनी दोंगर कातरले हय हे कोणें दिले कोणाचे पंचायती एनओसी नासतना वो कोण MLA कोण एक्स MLA तेंचे नासतना बेश्टें जालें
आतां कितें म्हणटा तूं की हांकां पंचायतीची कांय परमिशनूच ना
नासतना कशें घेतलें तेणी पंचायती आसूंक जाय न्हू नाजाल्यार बेश्टें करून जाता.
Edwin, you were talking about this ground issue to me. Can you highlight what is it?
What we feel is this ground is only a play field for 9-a-side football. What we want is a bigger field where our boys can come up and they can improve. Since the government is giving so much, spending so much of amount for sports, I feel that they should do something for our village also.
Okay, what is the panchayat saying about this football ground?
The panchayat is not at all interested, I think. They are not at all interested in the play fields and all. They are interested in other development, but not as a sports field and all.
And with this, we have finished with the Neora village panchayat. After covering Goavelia and Neora panchayats in this Tiswadi taluka, we are now moving towards Chodan, that in other words Shorao. And with me I have Rakesh also to assist me till Chodan, in Chodan village. Rakesh, do you know anything about Chodan village? What are the issues concerning?
Greta, as we are traveling in ferry boat, this is a major problem for them. Usually there are 3 ferry boats plying on this route. And this connects, this ferry route connects, a large part of Goa.
Okay.
And the locals, and that is why in Chodan.
This is the only ferry boat that they have?
This is the only route. And one more ferry route is there, but this being connecting Panjim, this is a very important. And many people who work in Bicholi Taluka, they travel from this ferry route. And most of the time ferry services...
Bicholi in sense they come through via Chodan.
May and all. So many people they travel every day. And as a result the locals from Chodan, they face a lot of hardship. And many have been demanding a bridge. And Goa government has said that they are constructing a bridge. But it is had to be materialized. And there is also Salim Ali Bird Sanctuary. If Dinesh, if you can pan your camera towards the Salim Ali Bird Sanctuary. This is the Salim Ali Bird Sanctuary that you can see. And there was a plan of forest department, to make it more protective. But some locals objected it. And
the tourists travel to this sanctuary here?
Yes, tourists do come to this sanctuary, and this forest department was planning to make it a buffer zone.
Okay.
A certain area, a certain portion of the land of adjoining area of the sanctuary. Salim Ali Bird.
There for the first time, Rakesh, and must be very beautiful island, na? You've been there. What are the issues there?
Other issues, as you know, many people from Goa, they are leaving and they are going abroad. Few days back, there was some a series of robberies that took place, and law and orders to some extent is problem happening. And few days back, there were robberies happening. Other issues are also like
police monitoring is not.
That is what the locals were saying few days back. And other issues that are also concerning is agriculture is getting a setback in this region.
Okay. And it's taking quite a long route, Rakesh. I mean, how many minutes from Panjim to Chodan?
Yeah, what locals are saying is that earlier when there was no Salim Ali Bird Sanctuary, the ferry point used to be a very short distance. The ferry route is to be very short distance.
What is that then?
That island, Dinesh, if you can pan that camera, that island is basically has formed for past 30 years.
Okay.
And actually,
Does that island have any name, Rakesh?
that island doesn't have any name.
It's just formed by its own.
Because the mining silt, it started coming down. Mining silt started coming down over the 30 years, and it
That's how-
it got deposited there. And some scientists from NIO, they started planting mangrove plants, and now see how huge that island has grown.
It's looking very beautiful, by the way, Rakesh.
Yes. Okay, Greta. Now I think the ferry route is getting over, and
Reaching there, and we'll just go and see and find out what are the issues concerning them. Thank you, Rakesh, for giving me so much of information. You'll assist me there as well.
yeah.
Okay. म्हटले आमचे आता लास्ट पॅनल जे असले तेणे काय डेव्हलपमेंट करूंक ना काय आनीक डेव्हलपमेंट जाय
Average, not a better performance. Like it will have been better.
and what are the issues concerning Chodan village?
The major one is bridge. We need a bridge because
And what are the difficulties that you all face without the bridge?
we have to wait. To go to Panjim, which is hardly some 13 max 13. We need 30 minutes minimum. Even if we get the ferry on time, half an hour is just.
You all don't have any alternate route to go to Panjim other than this.
Another is ferry only from Bushwa. So direct.
The nearest is this.
Yeah, nearer one this. Yeah, that is 14 kilometers. This is 10 kilometers.
तशें आमकां मेन म्हणल्यार आमकां हे आमकां बफर झोन आसा डॉक्टर सलीम अली तो बफर झोन आमकां नाका कित्याक आमकां ते जाय जाल्यार आमची घरां बांदूंक मेळची ना आमकां डेवलप करून ते वेळ जाल्यार आमकां तितलो अमके स्क्वेअर मिटर कितें एरिया वो तेंचे ती करून कांय करूंक गावचें ना न्ही
So तुम्ही म्हणटा ते सलीम बर्ड सँक्च्युरी आहा थिंगा बफर झोन नाका तुमकां आनी कितें प्रॉब्लेम येवपाक शकता थिंगा बफर झोन
बफर झोन अमके एरिया म्हणजे तांकां कोणाक डेवलप हेका कंस्ट्रक्शन करून गावचें ना
There is one problem which is troubling the Shora people are the robberies.
Yes.
There are too many thefts, you know, auntie.
Yes,
And recently, I think even your house was robbed.
yes. First was mine, and then major is my house first. And then after my about 2-3 weeks, another major robbery, and she was in Dubai. Yeah. So after that, small one still it is
There
going.
are so many robberies taking place. I mean, have you all asked the authorities, the police?
Too many, too much. Lot of old Goa police, everybody has come, but yet for all one is not traced.
Do you all need any more development here in Shora?
Definitely.
What kind of development?
What development? First of all, we want to be safe. Which are our houses, we cannot go out, we are living in fear. The minute it is night, we have no sleep. Everybody, it's not only me or everybody.
Shorawan कसले development जाय?
मोर इम्पॉर्टंट आमचे डेली हाका ते वॉटर हांगा ऑल्टरनेट डेज येता उदक आमकां रायट नाव आतां 1 year कंटिन्युअसली आमी ऑल्टरनेट डेज पळयता जाल्यार आमकां उदकाक आमी सारकीच मोत्ता.
So Greta, this is the Dr. Salim Ali Bird Sanctuary, and as we have seen, as we have talked with people here in Chorao, they say that they doesn't want.
Need the buffer zone.
Doesn't want a buffer zone.
Yeah. And we have also known the breach problems, the thefts that they take place, and they say the police authorities are not taking any action on them. So with this, we have covered the Shorao village, and with the assistance of Rakesh with me, I end this Tiswadi Taluka here with Rakesh Kandulkar and Dinesh Karpe. I am Greta Menezes for Prudent Media.